What is going on with you two?
Claw lives in his own opera. I mean, maybe you should come down to the station with us.
The way you cherish me.
Who are you? I'm your new assistant.
Hello and welcome to Cine Select. Some of the best Netflix series are not just the recently released ones. They are those you didn't check out, didn't give much of a chance. From slow burning mysteries and highly regarded thriller to emotionally charged limited series and innovative sci-fi, these shows have aged well and are now more worthy of your time than ever. If you are looking for proven binge-worthy shows from the last few years, this is your ultimate catch-up list for 2026. But first, smash that like and subscribe button if you are ready for some serious suggestion. And I hope guys I will get 5,000 subscribers from this video, because we are only 912 subscribers far away to reach 1k subscribers, so please. Number 7. Casino.
저게 뭐야?
내 월급으로 감당 안 되는 거.
이 거짓이야.
나 돈 좀 빌려주세요.
그럼 이렇게 하자. 내 딸이랑 결혼을 해.
어떻게 나쁜 놈들을 때려잡으면서 가정을 유지하고 직장에 다녔을까? 내일도 무사히 출근하고 싶다. 청약 통장.
It is a 2025 superhero action comedy series Lee Chang-min directed, inspired by the well-known webcomic of the same name. The story follows Kong Sang-won, a regular servant who unexpectedly receives a strange superpower that boosts his physical ability in accordance with the quantity of cash he carries. What starts out as a little humorous problem quickly escalates into an important moral issue as Sang-won has to decide between keeping his money safe and helping others. As he adventures, he meets other bizarre heroes who have a peculiar challenge of their own and establish an unusual team against new threats. It delivers an entertaining take on the superhero genre through fusing humor, action, and social criticism.
초능력 쓰지 말자. 알았어요. 뭔지 알아? 능력이야.
범인은
Number 6 of 4 seasons.
Fact. Even if he is wearing a tank top that you can see his nipples through.
What is going on with you two?
Claw lives in.
How did you two meet?
Ginny is my dental hygienist.
I get it. She's young and hot, right?
Don't see a ton of friends, family, and finding their soulmate.
We met next month.
It is a 2025 comedy drama series created by Tina Fey, based on the 1981 movie of the same name. The story centers on 3 long-term couples whose custom of taking yearly holidays is abandoned when one of them declares they are divorcing. This forces everyone to face changing dynamics, long-held grudges, and the uncertain stability of lasting connection and relationships. Starring Tina Fey, Will Forte, Steve Carell, Coleman Domingo, and Carrie Kenny Silver, the show combines slicing satire with deeply sincere moments by examining how love changes over the year and not seeking comic twists.
Text Danny and Claude. ETA 431. When the magic hour light is perfect.
Take me in.
Get in the car!
What kind of question is that? Come on.
Sex.
Oh, son.
Oh, it's gonna be hot on that boat.
You can see his nipples through.
What is going on with you two?
Claw lives in.
Number 5. Nero the Assassin.
Avantage. Personne ne te verra venir.
Tu veux vraiment l'abandonner une deuxième fois?
Si vous voulez vivre peinard et vieux, ne faites jamais d'enfants.
It is a 2025 action-adventure series that takes place in southern France around the 16th century. The narrative centers on Nero, a brutal henchman who is abruptly pushed to defend a daughter he hardly knows after she gets caught up in political plots and witchcraft rumors. What seems like a survival expedition quickly transforms into a dramatic father-daughter drama rife with treachery, killing secret orders, and changing alliances. The show combines dismal political suspense, dark fantasy elements, and daring action. Overall, the show shines out as a grim, dramatic, and instant thriller that mixes personal stakes with deadly spectacle.
Meilleur assassin de la Martinique.
On y va. Arrête, c'est ton père. Change d'humain.
Pourquoi tu m'as jamais dit que j'avais un père?
Ton père, c'est pas quelqu'un de bien.
Number 4. The Hunting Wife.
I need you to come down to the station with us.
What are you sending encrypted messages for?
Just here that night.
I'm not good with Texas people.
Sophie, it is my boss.
It is a 2025 mystery thriller based on a 2021 book by Meg Cobb, created by Rebecca Cutter. The show centers on Sophie Neal, a Boston resident who, after moving to East Texas with her spouse, get Cobb and Margot Banks' passionately charged lifestyle and her exclusive group of affluent elites. Soon her fascination quickly turns into paranoia, passion, political overtones, and death when Sophie's gun is linked to the killing of a teenage girl. The drama primarily focuses on scandals, romances, power struggles, and convoluted female competition, taking on its shady, twisted atmosphere. Combining small-town noir, sensual drama, and satire, the series offers daring concept and intriguing narrative that flourishes as a pleasurable thriller that is clear about what it is and gives it its best.
Oh. Well, I think this party just got a whole lot better.
It's where Harvard is.
You'd eat a bag, some of them.
You can do it. You're ready.
I can't.
I won't tell if you won't.
Number 6. Sakamoto Days.
Honestly, I can hardly recognize you.
Sweetie, I know you're not about to tell me you've gone back to killing, right? Break the family rules and I'll divorce.
If you break them.
You can't! It's against the rules!
It is a 2025 anime adaptation of Yuto Suzuki's popular manga. The plot revolves around Tara Sakamoto, once the world's most dangerous hitman, who leaves his deadly profession for love and turns into a simply grocery shop owner until a reward on his head forces him to return to a violent world of killers. As Sakamoto recruits old friends, the show strikes a mix between fascinating fight sequences and genuinely heartbreaking family emotion. Despite inconsistent animation quality, the adaptation has become one of Netflix's most popular anime release of 2025.
Everyone has someone that cherishes them the way you cherish me. This is our number one rule.
Assassin! And now? How did this happen?
Well, I love it. I'll never be a hitman again.
Honestly, I can hardly recognize.
Number 2. Last Samurai Standing.
1点目。本当にでかい。お前たちは何者だ。あれは化け物だ。もうすぐ全て滅びる。
It is a 2025 historical action drama series directed by Mitsuo Fuji. The show takes place in the chaotic early Meiji period and revolves around a deadly samurai survival competition. The narrative centers on Sujiro Saga, a retired samurai who becomes entangled in a lethal contest in Kyoto, where thousands of fighters compete for a huge money reward for the last person alive. Instead of focusing on stylish spectacle, the series visuals lean toward realistic authenticity, portraying muddy arenas and the declining honor of samurai warriors.
様に参加していただく遊びの名は孤独。
1点目。
行きたい。
俺から離れるな。見つける。
Number 1. Department Q.
In cases like this, someone's dead one day, gone the next.
You want us to investigate us?
We've been rattling his cage.
I think he feels responsible for what?
It is a 2025 crime thriller series based on UC Adler Olsen's most popular Danish books. The narrative centers on Carl, a talented detective who is transferred to Department Q following the horrific shooting incident that leaves him mentally and physically devastated. The first season explored Carl's fragile bonds with the group and his lingering guilt while focusing on a famous disappearance case that gradually comes to light through multi-layered flashbacks, harsh inquiries, and ethically challenging revelation. Although the first episode drags before the plot picks up speed, it is one of the best detective series available on Netflix right now, with excellent casting and compelling character arc. Overall, it shines as a mature, meticulous investigative drama that compensates patient viewers with nuanced writing and a psychological rooted mystery.
Aren't you supposed to ask me some questions?
Aimed specifically at tackling cold cases. A car, this isn't The Price is Right.
I understand your